What's up, guys? You're watching another video. I just left Bowen 2 and now we're on our way to a car meet down here in Orange County. The car meet ends in 30 minutes. It's probably gonna get shut down by the time I get there, but I wanted to pull up because a lot of homies are here and I heard there's a lot of GTRs too. So I want to pull up, check out all the cars, make a cool vlog for you guys. But look, guys, I'm in the M3. You guys haven't seen this car in a long time. I'm driving with the valves closed. You can't even hear the car. Driving with the valves closed because in Orange County, the cops do not play. The cops hate loud exhaust out here, so I'm trying to be low key. And also, the E92 has no front lip. The car looks so ugly. I'll show you guys when we stop right now. I'm so embarrassed to even pull up in it. That's how ugly the front end looks right now. And it's dirty. Oh my God. I brought the wrong car today. Bro, that's a bad sign. All the cars are leaving. That means it's probably over. Bro, I think I'm late. Look at that thing though. Holy shit. Alright, we made it. Look how I parked. I parked inward so no one can see my front lip. That's how embarrassed I am, guys. Let me just show you guys the front end real quick. No front lip. It looks like something's missing. It's so ugly, bro. But I had to take off the front lip. Literally, I hit it again and it looks so freaking bad. So it kind of looks better off, believe it or not. Damn. These guys are here. You guys remember these from the GTR vlog? It literally looks like the GTR that I drove today. Damn. I'm telling you guys, I need these wheels. All the fast guys do it. And believe it or not, this is a girl's car. And she has one of the most badass GTRs that I've ever seen. I'm not even kidding. She shits on a lot of the guy GTR owners. And then this dude's car is just goals. Damn, Amza drove the E92?
Yes, sir.
You brought it out of hibernation? Hibernation, bro.
Yeah, it looks sick, huh?
It's alright.
Man,
it's
you
like,
a
it's
hater.
It's not all that, but it's cool.
Why are you jealous, bro?
Yeah. Yep. One day I'm gonna steal his fenders. I'm gonna just unbolt them and put them on my car. Damn, that's clean. Oh, look at Chai E46 might be the cleanest M3. They just look so mean, bro. Look at this McLaren though. Jason, I see you in this, bro.
Damn. I like two cars right now.
This is hard, dude. McLaren, wide body FRS. I need your wheels, Jason.
Bro, you see this color?
Imagine. Oh my God. Those BBSs or these BBSs?
Yeah.
What would you guys take?
I can't even lie, Jason's BBSs are hard.
Would you guys take these or Hamza's? I don't know, bro. That's a hard choice, huh? Damn, bro. That shit sounds mean. I'm pretty sure it's the V8 version. There's a V8 and a V10. I think it's a V8. Sounds mean, bro. I've been wanting to see this dude's GTR. Woo! It's crazy, bro. Damn, bro, that shit is crazy. Another meaty tire setup. Bro, they all got meaty tires. Look at his gap can.
Oh shit.
To record the people he beats. I think he made close to like 1,000 horsepower. I heard, I don't know. I heard something crazy start up over here. I knew it was an Aventador, bro. Woo.
FindingNick?
What's up, bro? God damn. This is goals right here. God damn. Bro, look at the tire on that shit. Must be nice. Bro, that green one is insane. The twin turbo one. Another GTR just chilling over here. This orange is sick. I told Kevin to buy this. Buy an orange GTR. What's up guys, thank you for watching another video putting gas in the GTR. I feel like it's a daily thing. I thought this car would be better on gas than the E92, but I honestly think the GTR is worse on gas. I'm not even gonna lie. Or it's probably because the way I drive it. I cannot drive this car slow. But today should be dope. We're going on a big car cruise tonight. I'm already late. I'm late to everything all the time, but on the GPS it says we'll get there at the exact time that they are leaving to the cruise. So hopefully we make it and hopefully they don't leave us. There's gonna be a lot of GTRs. I saw some McLarens are there, some Hellcats, so it should be pretty sick. A lot of dope footage. The cops. There's literally a high-speed pursuit. Guys, look at this. Oh my God, they're coming in here, bro. Holy shit. Who are they chasing? I can't even see. I don't know who they're chasing, but there's so many cops. At least 20 of them. Oh, I see it. It's a car. It's a Civic, bro. That fool is not getting away. Bro. Damn, that's crazy. At least 20 cop cars and a helicopter. You're not getting away. I filmed a little bit. Dude, like, did you get it? I got it, bro. I filmed it. Dude, that was crazy. I can't believe that dude's running from the cops. You guys, it's not even worth it. Do not run from the cops. Especially if they got a helicopter up, you're not gonna get away, bro. We made it. What's up, bro?
You ready, bro? Send people some gavel.
I don't know. I'm about to lose to everybody right now. Guys, look how many freaking cars are here. And all the GTRs. Damn. I can't even see. It's so dark in here, but there's like Hellcats, CTSVs, Corvettes, GTR boys, i8, Porsche. That shit is loud. Must be nice.
Damn, I guess I'm gonna be there.
Alright. Alright, as you guys can tell, it's probably gonna be super lit. I think I'm gonna have to throw the GoPro on because there's way too many cars. Oh my God. Damn, bro, that shit sounds crazy. You wanna race?
I send us a gavel, please.
I'll try.
Like and subscribe.
Hey.
Smash that like button.
Oh, there's helicopters. Oh my God. The GoPro's not the best quality at night, but it's gonna have to do. So hopefully you guys still enjoy the content. I'm gonna try to race this already, V8. I'm pretty sure I could take him because I think I beat one in my E92. Oh my God. I think it'll be a good race. I swear, bro. He wasn't even pulling away. Woo, that shit sounds nice. Bro, the Huracan's literally right next to me. He's probably tripping out. Like, why is this quiet ass GTR keeping up with me? Tuneful, I know, I don't know. Oh my God, bro, that shit's hard. I'm over here trying to race all these exotics. Alright, finally I catch him to the other GTR. CTSV. I hear the whine and the supercharger. Holy shit, dude. Shit is fast. Bro, it was pulling away from me so easy. I even took off first. That was a fun little cruise. I recorded as much as I could, but it's very hard because I was driving and trying to concentrate on the road. But it was sick. We raced that little CTSV. ATSV? I don't know what it is, to be honest. He starts it right next to the cop. Look at his license plate. I showed you guys last time, but it's so funny.
Yeah.
The Nissan Altima.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 20.